What you just saw was a short fingerpicking study that uses open strings, which is very common in country music and can often be seen in Albert Lee's playing. We're starting off by placing our third finger on fret 7 of the D string and then our middle finger on fret 6 of the G string. On the right hand, we're going to play the same picking pattern throughout, which is strings 4, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1. The rhythm goes like this: 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. I'm keeping my fingers allocated so that my thumb is always playing string 4, the index finger plays string 3, the middle finger plays string 2 and the third finger plays string 1. This ensures that the picking pattern is fluent and that we can keep time. After we've played the first chord, we remove the middle finger, but keeping the third finger in place, we're going to bring the little finger directly underneath, so we're on fret 7 of the G string. Same picking pattern again. Then we're going to place the third finger on fret 7 of the G string, and then place the middle finger on fret 6 of the D string. Same picking pattern applies. Then we're going to keep the middle finger in place but bring the third finger 1 fret behind and play the same picking pattern again. Here's how the whole thing sounds. That was a demonstration of fingerpicking using open string chords.